Alright, so now we're going to work on the image upload, and for that we're going to use Cloudinary. So let's head over to Cloudinary so that we can sign up to get the API keys and secret. So if you already have an account with them, obviously you can continue with that. I think I already have one, so let me try login. But if you're new, just click here and sign up. Alright, so fill in the details, sign up. They might send you the confirmation email. So check your email, click on the link so that you can log in. Okay, so let me log in. Ryan Stripe platform. So this is my email, my password. Alright, so once you log in, you have a couple of options here. They looks like they changed the UI. Now it's much easier to find your API keys and secret. You can see here, that's my cloud name, that's the API key, and I can click here to get the secret. So these are the values we need. Now sometimes they might not be here in the dashboard. Sometimes you might have to check out some other tabs in future if they change something, but otherwise it should be very straightforward to find your information here. So here, this is the dashboard, so that's the same thing. The media library, so previously I have uploaded few images, so you can see I have a bunch of images here. Okay, so there's the settings, upload. So here I have to make some changes which I did a long time ago, so let me quickly show you. So you can see here, upload presets. Come here and click edit if you don't have the mode signed. Okay, so you could change this to unsigned. That way you could even upload from the client side, but this is the secured way, and we will be using our node server to upload to Cloudinary. So from React app we send the image to our backend server, and our backend server will upload to Cloudinary, and later if we want we can remove as well. Right, and then that uploaded URL will, our backend will again send back to our React app, the mobile app, and from there we're going to save to the database altogether. All right, so let's go ahead, grab the API keys and secret, put in the server. Let me just close this. So let me go to server, env file, and here I'm going to first, let me write down the name. So Cloudinary name. Next one, we need Cloudinary key, and next one is Cloudinary secret. All right, so let's go grab these values. Okay, so from here grab the, copy the cloud name, whatever is yours, put here. Copy the API keys, and the secret I can just copy, and I'm showing this to you, but you don't show it to others. Just don't expose these values to GitHub. That's why we have already added git ignore, and that will ignore the env file. So make sure you don't expose. I will remove this, delete this account when I finish recording this course. All right, so just keep it a secret. All right, so we got the name, key, and secret. Now we can continue with our application. By the way, for this to work, we have to restart your server. Okay, so anytime you make any changes in the env file, make sure to restart. So let's restart. And now we work on the image upload here in the client.